So, looks like Miss Woodpecker has returned today. It's very encouraging. She's going to be coming on a regular basis. Wow. Amazing. I read somewhere that the force that they can use on a tree with that pecking, it's like, throwing your head against a wall at 40K or something like that. I've seen these guys, these birds, chip away at like that piece of wood that's down right behind it. Huge holes in it, like there in the middle of the winter at minus 30 and 40, and chipping pieces of wood that are flying like 10 feet out. Amazing. Dig a hole like 2 inches deep in, 30 seconds. Amazing. Well, she certainly is relaxed and content to be there. There's other birds in the air too today. I think I had some of those, what they call flickers, a type of woodpecker. I think. I have to go check that now. See if I can get her from the other side over here. Oh, look at her. See how they hop up the trees? They kind of like little jumps up the side of a tree. This little bobbing motion. Oh, now she's way up there. I don't know if you can see her or not. Still pecking a tree. She's still up there. They typically do that. They'll come and be on the feeder for a little bit, and then they jump on the tree itself. And then they, oh look, I was on the wrong tree. There she is. I was pointing it the wrong way. I don't know if you can see it now, right in the center of the screen. Anyway, they'll do that typically, and then fly over. Often it seems like the same tree, and then peck their way up the side of the tree with their little holes. There's holes all through these trees, thousands of little holes all over. That they go and get their insects and sap and things. She seems to be just sitting up there now. Oh, she just moved.